Hey, it's Robert here from robertcbrand.online. I hope you're having a terrific day wherever you are in the world today. Today, I'm going to suggest that you stop chasing money and do this instead. As the late, great Jim Rohn once said, success is not something to be pursued. It is something to be attracted. Success, well, all of that stuff is something you attract. So you work on yourself, you go to work on yourself. You don't pursue wealth and success. You go to work on yourself so that when success comes by your way and they take a look at you, they go, wow, what a great place to stay. I used to love the way that Jim Rohn used to put things, but he makes a very great point. We live in a feeling universe. We attract more than we realise. In fact, we attract absolutely everything that we're experiencing in our life experience on a daily basis. We've created it on some level. There are no accidents in this universe, in this world that we live in. So then it makes sense that you would go to work on yourself to change the external results that are showing up. And one of the ways in which you can do this is kind of, if you think about pursuing wealth and success and everything, when you boil all of that down, the motivating factor is you. You're thinking about you, what's in it for you all the time. That's the whole thing. I'm suggesting you turn that around on its head a moment and think about what you can do for others. Think about giving value and helping others. I'm reminded of another late great speaker and trainer, Zig Ziglar, who said if we give, and this is not verbatim, but if we do enough and give enough to other people, we'll always have enough for ourselves. But the key distinction is the focus is not on ourselves. Our focus is on doing for others, giving value to others first, and then we get back what we want. And that's what I'm suggesting today that you think about. If you're running around in a mad furor all the time, chasing the money, chasing success, burning the candles at both ends, take a deep breath. Go within yourself, reanalyze your life, where it's going, what you're all about. And if it's not working and you feel incongruent and unhappy on some level, it's probably because you're doing things the wrong way, and instinctively, intuitively, you know this to be the case. So I'm suggesting stop thinking about yourself, stop chasing success, and go out there and see how much of a positive difference you can make to people today. How much you can do for others without thinking directly about the payoff for you. And just see how that works for you. Because as I said before, and I'll say it again, it's so important. You're sowing seeds all the way through this life. We're in a feeling universe. The more you give out, the more you get back. You attract it. Like attracts like. Do good, get good. Sow the seeds, reap the crop. It's as simple as that. Don't overcomplicate it. And if you feel you're working hard and pushing and getting stressed, it means you're doing things the wrong way. If it starts to feel easy and you enjoy it every day and looking forward to getting out of bed and working on what you're doing and making a difference to people's lives, you're on the right track. So on the one side of the fence, if you're feeling happy, feeling universe, remember, if you're feeling happy, you're pretty close to doing it right. If you're feeling offbeat and not quite right, then take a look at what you're doing. Something is not congruent with who you are and your purpose here on this beautiful blue planet of ours. That's it from me today. Got me on one there. I do love these things. I love it. I'm passionate, and once I get rolling, I can't stop talking about it. But I will try now. I'm going to stop. Have a really great day or rest of the day wherever you are in the world, and I will catch up soon. Take care.